How to view send follow request list on Instagram. So if you want to view send follow request list on Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application and make sure to log into your account. So once you've logged in, you can go to your profile, which will be on the bottom right, and then you can go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and you can simply scroll down, and here you can go for your activity. Tap on your activity and then scroll all the way down, and here on the bottom you will have download your information. Tap on download your information, and here you can go for download or transfer information, and then you need to choose your Instagram account only if you want to view the send follow request list on Instagram only, and then tap on next, which is on the bottom, and here you can download all of your information or you can only download the information that you want right now. So choose some of your information and then scroll down, and here under the connections you can go for followers and following and tap on next again, and here you can tap on download to device and then tap on next, and you can tap on create files, and that's it. Your information is being prepared for download. We'll let you know after that. So your past 1 year history will be downloaded, so it may take some time depending on your request. And once your information is downloaded, you will have a download option. You can simply go for the download, and once you tap on download, your information will be downloaded and you can view all the send follow request list on your Instagram. Here you can go for past request, and here you will have your downloads, right? You can choose that download, so go for done, which is on the upper right, and that's it. Here you have received the email. So if you open the email address, here it says that your meta download request is in progress. So that's it. That's how you view your send follow request, or that's how you have access to the follow request list on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.